everyone. Today is March 4, 2023. It's early in the morning. I mean, 10 o'clock. Roughly 10 o'clock. Ngayon ay Marso 4, 2023. Yan ang makikita mo sa labas after the snowstorm last night. You see? Parang rotovator yun. But inaalis ang yellow or ice sa gitna ng street or daan sa pathway. Yan ang makikita ninyo after snowy storm last night.